Right now, something incredible is happening worldwide. Jewish families from France, India, Ethiopia, Ukraine, and dozens of other nations are all heading to one destination: Israel, their ancestral homeland. But here's what's mind-blowing. This massive migration was predicted in ancient texts over 2,500 years ago, long before airplanes existed or modern Israel was even a country. Are we actually watching impossible prophecies come true right before our eyes? Stay with me because this story will completely change how you see the world around us. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video right now. It helps more people discover these important signs. This story begins 4,000 years ago with Abraham. God promised him, "Leave everything and go to a land I'll show you. Your descendants will become a great nation there." That land was Israel. Abraham's son Isaac carried the promise. Isaac's son Jacob, renamed Israel, had 12 sons who became the 12 tribes of Israel. But being chosen didn't spare them from hardships. They became slaves in Egypt for 400 years until Moses led the famous Exodus. They built a kingdom under King David and Solomon, but after Solomon's death, the kingdom split into northern and southern nations. Here's where the story gets heartbreaking. In 722 BC, the powerful Assyrian Empire conquered the northern kingdom and scattered those 10 tribes across their vast empire. These became known as the famous Lost Tribes of Israel. Later, in 586 BC, the Babylonians completely destroyed Jerusalem and its beautiful temple, taking the remaining tribes into exile far from their homeland. For nearly 2,000 years, think about that timeline, Jewish people were scattered like seeds across every single continent on Earth, from the mountains of Europe to the deserts of Africa, from the cities of Asia to remote islands. They faced persecution, exile, and unimaginable hardships. But here's where it gets absolutely incredible. During the darkest times of exile, ancient prophets like Ezekiel made predictions that seemed completely impossible. Ezekiel wrote these amazing words: "I will take you from the nations and gather you from all the countries and bring you back to your own land. I will make you one nation again in the land." For 2,000 long years, this seemed like nothing more than a beautiful dream, wishful thinking. How could millions of people scattered across the entire globe possibly return to one tiny piece of land in the Middle East? It seemed absolutely impossible. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you never miss these incredible stories that connect ancient prophecies to modern events happening right now. Then something extraordinary happened in 1948 that changed everything forever. After the horrors of World War II and the Holocaust, the modern state of Israel was miraculously reborn. Suddenly, Jewish people from around the world started returning home in a movement called aliyah, which means going up in Hebrew. We're not talking about just a few families here and there. Since 1948, over 3 million Jewish people have moved to Israel from more than 100 different countries. But some of the most incredible stories involve tribes that were considered lost for nearly 3,000 years. In the remote mountains of northeast India lives an amazing group called the Bnei Manasseh. For an incredible 2,700 years, they preserved Jewish traditions in complete isolation from the rest of the Jewish world. They faithfully kept the Sabbath, followed kosher dietary laws, told biblical stories to their children, and always claimed they were descendants of Manasseh, one of those lost tribes scattered by the Assyrians. For generations, everyone thought they were just confused local people. But then DNA testing and detailed historical research proved something amazing. They were telling the absolute truth. Israel officially recognized their Jewish ancestry, and over 3,500 have already made the emotional journey home to a country they had never seen but somehow always belonged to. High in the mountains of Ethiopia, another group called the Falasha Mura kept Jewish customs alive in secret for centuries, even after being forced to convert to Christianity. They quietly maintained kosher diets, observed the Sabbath, and passed down precious traditions in hidden mountain communities. Since 1991, more than 75,000 Ethiopian Jews have made the incredible journey to Israel. When 300 new immigrants arrived from Gondar in 2020, the scenes were absolutely emotional. People literally kissed the ground when they stepped off the plane, and you could hear the ancient shofar horn being blown in joyful celebration. But this isn't just about ancient communities. The return is actually accelerating in our modern world. In France, rising anti-Semitism caused a dramatic spike in Jewish immigration to Israel. In just the first 6 months of 2021 alone, over 1,300 French Jews made aliyah. That's a 137% increase from the previous year. When war broke out in Ukraine, entire Jewish families were airlifted to safety in Israel. In Venezuela, complete economic collapse drove many Jewish families to leave everything they had built over generations. Even wealthy business leaders like Roman Abramovich have chosen to move to Israel and invest in its future. Organizations across North America actively help American and Canadian Jews relocate to Israel. From every corner of the earth, this incredible gathering continues day after day. Here's what absolutely gives me chills about this entire story. We're not just watching normal immigration patterns or people fleeing difficult situations. We're witnessing something that was written about thousands of years ago actually happening in real time, right before our eyes. Think about this carefully. How many ancient predictions have you personally watched come true in your lifetime? This isn't folklore, legend, or mythology. These are real families boarding real flights, starting real new lives in the exact place that was promised to their ancestors 4,000 years ago. After being scattered across every continent for nearly 2,000 years, Jewish people are returning to their ancestral homeland at completely unprecedented rates. The scattered pieces are literally coming back together, just like those ancient prophets said would happen. Whether you view this through historical, spiritual, or purely cultural lenses, you absolutely have to admit, something truly extraordinary is happening in our lifetime that deserves our attention and amazement. Are we witnessing the fulfillment of ancient prophecy, or is this just the natural flow of history? I genuinely want to hear your honest thoughts in the comments below. If incredible stories like this fascinate you as much as they fascinate me, you absolutely need to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our videos exploring these mind-blowing connections between ancient history and modern events. Please share this video with someone in your life who loves amazing historical stories. These are exactly the kinds of events that need to be talked about and shared widely. Thanks for joining me on this absolutely incredible journey through time and prophecy. Keep your eyes wide open. History is happening all around us every single day, and I'll see you in the next video.